Let's start our discussion now for part A. For the question 1, Farid has been planning to own a boat valued at Rm 14,000, which he hopes to purchase within the next 2 years and 4 months. At present, he has 12,500 in his savings account. As he considers his financial situation, Farid is exploring 2 possible approaches to achieve his goal. For option A, keep the Rm 12,500 in a savings account that pays 6.5% per year, compounded semi-annually for 2 years and 4 months, and then buy the boat using only the matured savings. For the option B, buy the boat now by taking a Rm 1,500 personal loan at 4.5% per year, compounded monthly for 2 years and 4 months. He can use the boat now but will owe interest on the loan. The question is, compare the 2 options and explain which one will benefit Farid financially over time. Include relevant conclusions to back up your reasoning.
So, we need to use the formula S equals P times 1 plus I raised to the power of n. From that, we will get the answer 14,512 ringgit and 10 cents. Then, we subtract 14,512 ringgit and 10 cents by 14,000 ringgit. Finally, the remaining balance we get is 512 ringgit and 10 cents. Next, option B. So, we need to use the formula S equals P times 1 plus I raised to the power of n. From that, we will get the answer 1,665 ringgit and 74 cents. Then, the interest that should be paid is calculated by taking 1,665 ringgit and 74 cents minus 15,000 ringgit, which give 165 ringgit and 74 cents. So, Farid should choose option A because he still has balance and he doesn't need to pay for loan.
Next, question 2. Rafiq has been promised a scholarship payment of Rm 50,000, which he will receive 3.5 years from now for his postgraduate studies. Alternatively, the university is offering him Rm 44,000 immediately. If Rafiq chooses to take the money now, he can invest it in an account that earns 4.88%, interest compounded every 4 months to fund his future postgraduate expenses. Should Rafiq accept the immediate payment and invest it, or would it be better to wait 3.5 years for Rm 50,000? Support your answer with relevant calculations. The answer is, as you can see, Rafiq gets scholarship Rm 50,000 and get 3.5 years. For the option 1, Rafiq get Rm 44,000 immediately and invest it. R equal to 4.88% or 0.0488. M equal to 3. T equal to 3 6/12. For the option 2, Rafiq just wait for 3.5 years for Rm 50,000. So, we use compound interest formula S equal to P bracket 1 plus I bracket the power of n. So, the answer is Rm 52,123 and 47 cents. We got the answer is Rafiq should accept the immediate payment and invest it. Question 3. Mr. Tan, age 40, begins saving for retirement by investing Rm 120,000 in a retirement fund that pays 5.2% interest compounded quarterly. 5 years later, he received a salary increment and invests an additional Rm 80,000 in the same account. The fund continues to accumulate interest at the same rate until he turns 58. Question A. Calculate the total value of Mr. Tan's retirement fund when he reached 58 years old. The answer of the question A, total of Mr. Tan's retirement fund is 58%. We use S equal to P bracket 1 plus I bracket the power of n. And we get Rm 155,371 and 7 cents. So the answer of the question A, the total value of Mr. Tan when he reached 58 years old is Rm 460,727 and 61 cents. Question B, determine the total interest earned throughout the investment period. We use total interest formula I equal to S minus P. We get Rm 340,727 and 61 cents. For the question C, evaluate whether Mr. Tan will have at least Rm 500,000 in his account by age 58. Justify your conclusion with calculation. We use compound interest formula S equal to P bracket 1 plus I bracket the power of n. We get Rm 460,727 and 61 cents. The conclusion is Mr. Tan will not have at least Rm 500,000 because Mr. Tan's accumulated amount at age 58% is Rm 460,727 and 61 cents.
Part B. Number 1. Siti's father left an inheritance of Rm 2.3 million which was divided in the ratio of 7:3 among Siti and her sister Sarah. Siti used her entire share as the down payment for a cosmetics factory worth Rm 4.2 million. She then took a loan to cover the remaining cost of the factory. The bank charged 1.4% interest compounded monthly and the loan is to be repaid over a period of 35 years. Question A. Find the monthly payment. We use a formula which is annuity A equals to R bracket 1 minus 1 plus I the power of negative n divide I. So Siti and her sister will get 1.61 million, and the loan is RM 2.59 million, and we substitute the formula of A and we will get R equals RM 7,803.92 cent. Option B, calculate the interest charge. We use formula interest, which is I equals R times N negative A. So we will get I equals RM 687,646 and 40 cents. Option C, if she fails to pay the first 3 monthly payments, find the amount he has to pay on the first payment in order to settle the outstanding areas. So we use a formula future value of annuity, which is S equals P bracket 1 plus I the power of N divide I negative 1. So we will get S4 is equals RM 31,270 and 35 cents. Question D. Immediately after paying for 30 years, she decided to settle the balance of the loan. Find the settled amount. So 30 years times 12 equals 360, and 35 years times 12 equals 420. So we use a formula of annuity, which is A equals R bracket 1 minus 1 plus I the power of negative N divide I, and we get A equals RM 451,968 and 28 cents. Number 2. Lee Nin Ho plans to travel to Cappadocia with his friends to achieve his dream. He needs RM 45,000. He can save only RM 550 per month in Bank Atom, which offers 4.2% interest compounded monthly. How many monthly deposits must Lee Nin Ho make to accumulate at least RM 45,000? So we must list down for information that S equals RM 45,000, R equals RM 550, and I equals 0.042. Using the information that listed down just now, we must substitute in future value of annuity, which is S equals R bracket 1 plus I the power of N divide I negative 1 bracket. For this question is different for other question because we must use log to find the N. So N equals log 1.28636 divide log 1.0035, and we will get N equals 72 months.